Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
This is how you grind for the future. The Vermeer WC2300XL answers the call for cleaner power with sheer muscle. Cat 4, 40 horses working in sync to fuel the grid with nature's own bones. It's skill. With a steady hand and a sharp saw, he guides a towering tree to the ground like a conductor with his orchestra. Snow-covered roads can stop everything in its tracks, except the timber trucks. With unwavering determination, they push through the storm, completing the task at hand. This is the nature of the job, the true grit of the drivers. Is a game changer. The Vermeer HG6000, showcased during its Italy tour, features a powerful diesel engine and advanced hydraulic system driving its wood-grinding drum. Watch it devour wood waste, grind, screen, and turn trash into treasure. Fast. Starting at $25,000, it's a strategic investment for serious operators. When it comes to grinding trees, you can't skip the Vermeer HG4000. Cost-effective, yes, but make no mistake, this beast grinds like it's sipping soup. Easy, effortless, brutally smooth. Energy Solutions looks like a beast, but when it comes to speed and skill, my old chainsaw still bites hard. The tension's real. Let's see who wins this forest duel. deep roots, hardened wood. But the Carlton 7015 TRX wasn't built to back down. It's a clash of muscle and machine. Will the yard be cleared, or will nature hold its ground? It took time, design, precision, patience. But when that saw roars to life and glides through wood like silk, you know every moment was worth it. From a Polish workshop comes a silent powerhouse. Dual shafts for steady pulls, 6 blades spinning with purpose. At 2,800 RPM, it turns timber into testimony, fast, clean, and relentless. Trees standing at the roadside, silent threats waiting for a storm. One gust of wind and disaster could strike. Sometimes the brave choice is not to let nature decide, but to act before it does. Snow falls, the wind howls. But this machine, it doesn't flinch, barking timber with precision and power, unfazed by nature's fury. Snow, one side sinking deep. Danger was real. But in the forest, you're never truly alone. With grit, steel, and teamwork, they pulled each other through.
И, блядь, с этой стороны-то.
This isn't just a machine, it's a mobile force of nature. The Pilato PTH-1 with 600 horses under the hood doesn't blink at tough timber. What really hits home is its versatility, grind settings that shift for any job, any challenge. Machine hums to life, but he's not interested. Instead, with every strike of the axe, he taps into something deeper, his spirit, his strength, his very essence. This is the heart of a man, unyielding and raw, facing nature head-on. No crowd, no backup. Just one man going head-to-head with a forest giant. It's not the size of the tree that matters. It's the size of the heart behind the saw. This isn't a chipper. It's a mechanical beast with a jaw that chews logs like they're sticks of butter. Raw power, ruthless efficiency. No wood stands a chance. Why settle for one when you can do both? The Dopstadt DZ750 Combi slices and crushes in a single pass, driven by a powerful engine built to conquer the toughest materials. When it comes to splitting wood fast, this machine needs no introduction. It replaces hours of back-breaking labor in mere seconds, a true monument to human engineering.
¡Ay, Dios santo!
Forest floor to power grid, wood chips have a story you've never heard. They don't just disappear, they transform, becoming energy, becoming impact.
Until the end of the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.